All right, you've gone bankrupt and now you're thinking, that's it, no hope at all for me ever purchasing a home again. Well, not true. There is ways forward, and I'm going to point out the key things that you have to know if you would like to purchase a home once again and you've been bankrupt. First off, as regulated by CMHC, Canada Guarantee, and Sagan, the insurers, if you have less than 20% down, they're going to want to ensure that you've, first off, been discharged from bankruptcy at least 2 years. So that is from the time you receive your absolute discharge, you've got to be 2 years out. Next off, they're going to want to ensure that you've established 2 new trade lines. So let's say it's a new credit card, a loan, whatever it may be, and you've got a 2-year history of these reestablished trade lines as well. Now, one of the things that happens in bankruptcy is sometimes the trustee allows folks to keep certain debts. Could be a car loan, let's say. Any debt that you took into bankruptcy and have maintained throughout bankruptcy and come out of bankruptcy with, unfortunately will not count towards those 2 trade lines. You've got to have 2 new trade lines established. And the 2 years is very important as well. Now, if you're at, let's say, 23 months, of course, a lender is potentially going to look at you in that situation. And however, if you've only been out 6-7 months, I'm afraid not. Now, as I said before, this is for folks that have less than 20% down because those mortgages have to be insured. Now, the other question I get asked is, what's the minimum down? Well, even if you've been discharged for 2 years and you've got 2 new trade lines reestablished, you could potentially get in with the minimum down payment of 5% on the first $500,000 and 10% on every dollar thereafter. Now, of course, this is case by case. It'll depend on what was involved in your bankruptcy. If property was involved and it turned into a foreclosure, my friends, then our choices are going to be limited, but we'll save that for another video. If you have more than 20% down, good news. We've got lenders that will look at your situation even if you're a day out of bankruptcy discharge. There's a myriad of more options because we've got alternative lenders who are not governed by those hard and fast insurer rules. Best way forward is to give us a shout at the Auxilium team. We can assess your situation individually and point you in the right direction forward. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. We do that here day in and day out, and we think we do a fairly good job of it. We've got hundreds of positive online reviews, and with over 700 million in funded mortgage deals to date, we would like to certainly assist more folks, and we think, oh well, we're confident that we can do that for you as well. So give us a shout at the Auxilium team. We look forward to assisting you.